Hey there, Shopify store owners. Want to sell more stuff to more people without relying only on ads? Let me introduce to you Omnisend email marketing and SMS, a supercharged tool to help you grow your list and boost sales effortlessly. Omnisend helps you create email and SMS campaigns in a minute using beautiful, ready to meet templates. Whether you're sending a summer sale newsletter or automating abandoned cart reminders, it's all drag and drop. No coding needed. You can build your list using exit intent pop ups, spin to win forms, landing pages, and more. Plus, it's backed up with 24/7 live chat and email support, even for free users. Amazing. And when it comes to pricing, there's something for every budget. First on the list, we have free plan, reach up to 250 contacts, send 500 emails per month, and even use global SMS. It's totally for free. The next is the standard plan, which comes in $16 a month for up to 500 contacts and 6,000 emails per month. And last, it also has Pro Plan, $59 per month for 2,500 contacts, unlimited emails, free global SMS, and more. When it comes to reviews, it has now over 6,000 reviews and an overall 4.7 star rating. It's clear that Omnisend is a favorite among growing Shopify stores. And before you hit install, scroll down just a bit and click the View Demo Store option. You'll get to see exactly how Omnisend works inside a live Shopify setup, a great way to visualize the app features in action. If you're serious about growing your brand with smarter, automated marketing, Omnisend is definitely worth checking out.